Hello, myself Jasprit Kaur. Today I'm going to explain the presentation of the subject itech5402 Enterprise System. My topic is Enterprise ERP System Integration with Internet of Things IoT. So this is a basically group presentation. My group members are Harmanpreet Kaur, myself Jasprit Kaur, and my other member is Ramandeep Kaur. So basically, agenda of this presentation is discussing the topic background, overview, introduction, and the benefit and the challenges of this topic. And in the last there should be a relevant case study. In the end there should be a conclusion as well. So let's start with the overview. The aim of this report is to gather information about the various framework and benefits and the challenges of ERP that integrate with the Internet of Things. And this idea is represented in this paper and it will be supported by a relevant case study. So let's start with introduction. So what is ERP? ERP is a cross-functional information system built on the software platform. So it is used by organizations to collect, store, interpret, and manage data from the various business activities such as accounting, sales, production, manufacturing, finance, and the human resources. So, what is the Internet of Things? So, it is a network of interconnected devices or sensors or digital machines. So, that helps to enable the exchange of data over a network without the need of human to human or human to computer interactions. So, when we integrate the ERP system with Internet of Things, there are many benefits. The first benefit is the data availability. So by adopting IoT technologies in the enterprise system, companies can improve the quantity and quality of the data to gain a better insight for making effective business strategies. For example, IoT sensor can be used to get real-time information which will be directly fed to the ERP software. So the second one is improved interaction. So since all data will be updated into our ERP software in a real time through IoT, so it will be help the all vendors and dealer involved in a manufacturing process to keep track of every update about the product from the time it is manufactured until the time is being sold to the customer. Last but not the least, the business intelligence. Internet of Things may enhance the decision making process by helping organizations to receive insight related to the business in a no time, and it also reduces the manual work by automating the business processes. So next my colleague the Raman will continue. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ramandeep Kaur and I'm going to explain about the benefits and challenges of Internet of Things. RFID technology provides a lot of benefits to enterprise system. RFID system is very flexible and suits industrial environment. It can be customized at any time according to the needs of the companies. Radio frequency identification technology in manufacturing companies assists in traceability and visibility in enterprise system. RFID hardware, tag, antenna, and reader are used to update real-time information in ERP system. Apart from that, workers in manufacturing companies can get quick and accurate information of the products during inbound and outbound delivery process, which enables companies to run their business smoothly and efficiently. Furthermore, Internet of Things is facilitating order fulfillment process in collaborative warehouse. Furthermore, Internet of integration of ERP system with Internet of Things helping in automating the manufacturing process through multi-agent system. Internet of Things also helps in building secure and smart system for supply chain management. Moving further towards challenges, There are some challenges for manufacturing companies in implementing RFID. The security of data is the biggest issue of concern for companies. Another concern is the cost of implementing RFID, which is beyond the reach of small companies because the cost is very high. This is not assured that RFID is very reliable technology, and data integration issues and lack of standards are other challenges which are facing some companies. So these are some challenges among the companies related to Internet of Things. Next, my partner Harmandeep will explain about the next part.
Hi, my name is Harmanpreet Kaur, and I'm going to explain the case study which we have included in a report. Basically, this case study was about Taiwanese bike firm, which is known as T-Bike. They are specialized in making electrical sports bicycles. So, and they currently uses paper travelers with barcode labels to track and identify thousands of moving frames around all over their plant facility. But still, tracking all frames and parts and acquiring up-to-date inventory for T-Bike, these are still considered as challenging tasks for them. As they are doing mass customization of bikes, so they are finding some difficulties in managing their labor, their cost, and all these things. So the manufacturer has expressed high interest in applying IoT technologies in their manufacturing processes, such as they have showed interest in implementation of RFID, which is radio frequency identification, in their manufacturing process. So these are the some implementation, the results which they have got after implementing Internet of Things into their manufacturing processes, which shows that IoT-based cyber-physical system could cost-effectively perform all tasks, such as it can align physical material flow and information flow, reduce part inventory, and it is also very adaptable to environmental changes. Also, adoption of IoT-based CPS can significantly improve production logistic operation in a dynamic shop floor environment, which would be very beneficial for this firm. And the last one is that IoT-based cyber physical system can help an enterprise to transform to a more flexible and efficient organization. So these were some of the benefits which this firm got after implementing IoT technologies into their manufacturing process. So this is the conclusion of this report. So the main concepts covered in this report are basics of enterprise resource planning system and their integration with emerging Internet of technologies, which is known as Internet of Things. So it has been concluded from the discussion of a report that adopting new technologies such as RFID, radio frequency identification chips, tags, antenna, sensors, or other multi-agent systems in enterprise or the related processes such as manufacturing management, production logistics, supply chain management, and inventory management would result into enhanced business processes by reducing the labor cost, reducing the time through automation of various operations. Also, a number of frameworks explaining the successful implementation of Internet of Things in manufacturing industry and supply chain are given in this report. But it has been seen that along with advantages of this integration, a few challenges are faced by organizations which are also taken into consideration, such as high cost of implementing these technologies, issues with reliability, lack of standards, data security, and redesigning business processes according to these new technologies. So this is the list of references which we have used in this presentation. So this was all about this presentation. Thank you.